Hello, my name is Adalee Martinez, and this is my experience with the Biodiversity Project. Growing up, I found an interest in science through attending many educational outreach programs, including a trip to the Chiricahua Mountains, where I saw passionate leaders doing field research. They inspired me to be just like them. This trip to the Chiricahua Mountains made me realize what I wanted to do with my future career. A year later, I was a senior in high school, and I was able to conduct my own research as a student and showcase it in a science fair. I met extraordinary people from the University of Arizona and was able to get out of my comfort zone by publicly speaking about my research. During this time, I saw the impact of experiencing fun and hands-on science to youth. I explored many interesting things about biology and met remarkable people that were interested in similar things. These people taught me technical concepts and helped me make empowering connections with others. I decided I wanted to be a leader, just like those who I saw in the science programs I participated in. So when I heard about the biodiversity program that was aimed at getting students excited about science, I knew I had to be a part of it. This was a chance to combine my desire to be directly involved in the community and still engage my science interest. After being accepted into the program and meeting all the other interns, I was partnered up with a great co-teacher, and we were assigned to a 4th grade class at Holaway Elementary School. We worked together to create fun lesson plans about science and curriculum focused on the biodiversity of animals, plants, and other life forms. We applied our lessons to be relevant to the Sonoran Desert, and we ourselves learned about the biodiversity in the area we live in. As a group, the biodiversity interns were able to meet other local educators and learned about the efforts at the Sonoran National Park, Desert Museum, Hopi Agriculture, and in digital storytelling to inspire us. By doing so, we saw and understood the importance of creating culturally relevant lesson plans to increase the inclusion of diverse voices and discussion of the environment. As a program, we emphasized the importance of diverse education to be inclusive to all students. Our mission was to help tackle the disparity and poor representation of underrepresented people within science, technology, engineering, and math. For example, at the U of A, only 6.3% of those receiving environmental science degrees were Latino, and 0 were awarded to Native Americans. So in order to help prevent this and other similar disparities, we made efforts in promoting diversity with younger age groups by outreaching to students of many different backgrounds, from kindergarten to high school. By going out to schools, myself and other interns were able to connect with younger students and introduce many different subjects about science. I found this work to be really fulfilling because I was able to learn about classroom management techniques, ways to better my articulation about science, and the process of creating material that kids would enjoy. All of the work was worth it when I remember one of my students running up to me and saying, "You guys make science fun." And that was one of the most fulfilling moments of the program. At a young age is where we start to mentor our youth and guide them onto many different paths of success, especially to those who are not exposed to equal opportunities. Because I am a Chicana female in STEM, I was thankfully given many opportunities and insight from others to follow a career path in environmental science. I can say that I have been personally impacted by leaders I saw in scientific fields growing up and those who inspired my love of science. I would like to do the same in return by inspiring other youth. And the Biodiversity Project made it all possible. And a big thank you to the U of A Green Fund for supporting this mission.